Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A researcher conducted a survey regarding the favorite subjects of the students. The following data were gathered. 84 students like algebra, 83 students like trigonometry, 83 students like statistics, 32 students like algebra and trigonometry, 37 students like statistics and trigonometry, and 46 students like algebra and statistics. Only 12 students like all three subjects. How many students like statistics only? Now in order to solve this question, let's try to put this given information in a Venn diagram. So let this be representation of 84 students who like algebra. So this entire circle represents 84 students. Now this is representing 83 students who like trigonometry. Again, this entire circle is representing 83 students. Now let this be representation of 83 students who like statistics. So 83 who like statistics. Now it is given that 32 students like algebra and trigonometry. So this overlapped part is representing 32 students. So this is 32. Similarly, 37 students like statistics and trigonometry. So this overlapped part entire from here to here is representing students who like statistics and trigonometry. And this is representing 46 students who like algebra and statistics. And this middle portion where all three circles have overlapped is representing 12 students who like all three subjects. How many students like statistics only? Now it is given that 83 students, that is this circle, is representing number of students who like statistics. But this also involves these overlapped parts 46, 37 and 12. Now in order to separate out students who like statistics only, we need to find involved numbers first. Let's see. Involved numbers are students who like statistics, which is equal to 83. Then students who like trigonometry and statistics, which is equal to 37. Then students who like statistics and algebra, which is equal to 46. And then students who like all three, which is equal to 12. Now let's start with 83 students who like statistics. Okay, so 83 minus 46 minus 37. When I subtract 46 and 37, I have subtracted students who like algebra as well and trigonometry as well. So this 83 already included 46 plus 37. So by subtracting 46 and 37, I have cancelled them out. But while doing so, I have also removed these 12 students two times, because this 46 had a 12, and by subtracting here I have subtracted 12 entirely. So in order to consider it, I'll have to add a 12 here. Now this equation is complete. Now this represents students who like statistics only. Now this is a complete equation. Let's solve this. First remove this. So students who like statistics only is equal to 83 plus 12, which is equal to 95 minus 46 minus 37. So 46 plus 37 is 3. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. 83. So that is equal to 5 minus 3 2, 9 minus 8 1. So students who like statistics only is 12. Number of students is 12. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option C, 12.